as this is telling us that so there are 7 kinds of veggies in this snack, so then you feel better than eating something that doesn't have veggies. Am I right? Perhaps. Okay. It's just, before lunch or a little bit before dinner, when you are just a bit hungry, then this type of snack would be perfect match, because you cannot because you shouldn't eat a lot of snacks and candies right before dinner, right? Then you shouldn't eat such as very rich taste. It would make your stomach very full, but this would be, yeah, definitely better snack. You get satisfied enough, and you still not gonna be very stuffed right before dinner. So you can find this one at, yes, convenience and supermarket. There is also another flavor, but this green one, but this is the basic flavor of Sapporo potato. Okay. Yeah, please find and enjoy. Hi, thank you for watching. That's all for today, and see you next time. Bye bye. My dog is sleeping. Yeah, I'm gonna just take a nap then. Bye.